it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete draft video on Instagram. So what you need to do is you need to open up your Instagram and let's just record a random video like this one. From there, what you want to do is go back and save it as draft. And now if I scroll through Instagram and I want to post it a bit later, I need to come back to this screen and then click on the bottom left to open up the gallery image, and then click on drafts and then click on drafts at the top left. As you can see, this is the video I have created. Now if I want to delete it, I need to click on select the top right, click on the video, click delete, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.